Workout during lockdown. Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good and staying safe during this pandemic. Staying indoors can be very frustrating and boring if it's for such a long time like these days. It's very important to do some kind of exercise to stay well and fit, physically as well as mentally. Exercise will strengthen your immune system, improve your mental health, won't bore you, and will make you feel better about yourself. But what to do during lockdown when you are stuck at home? Don't worry and keep watching today, as I'm going to show you a few exercises that are so easy to do and they require little or no equipment. So let's start. First of all, it's very important to warm up before any kind of exercise. Simply just work out like this. After about 2 or 3 minutes of warm-up, follow these workouts step by step. Exercise number 1. Hold both your arms in front of you and hold your one hand with the other. Then twist your upper body to the left side and then to the right side. Keep on doing this for 1 minute. This exercise will trim down your abdomen and strengthen your arms and shoulders. Exercise number 2. Stand straight, then move one of your legs backwards like this. Touch the floor with your foot and then bring it forward. Move your arms along with your leg as long as you can see how the arms are moving along with the feet. Keep doing this for 10 times. Exercise number 3. Stand straight and hold both your hands in front of you. First, bend your left leg and touch your knee with your hand. Then back to staying straight, and then bend your right leg and touch your knee with your hand. Try doing this exercise for 10 minutes. Do star jumps like this for at least 10 times. This exercise uses mostly all of your muscles and strengthens them. Exercise number 5. Stand straight and do squats like this. While squatting, bring your arms together in front of you. This exercise will strengthen your thigh and leg muscles and tone them as well. This will also help trim down your belly. Exercise number 6. Stand straight and then start jumping like this. Keep your hands in front of your body and they move up and down. Do this at least 10 times. This will strengthen your thighs, legs, and arms to a greater extent. Exercise number 7. Place a footrest and then lie on your stomach. Put your feet on the feet rest and do push-ups like this. Do them just the way I am doing it. This is extreme exercise for thighs, arms, and shoulders. This also strengthens your abdominal muscles and tones down your tummy. Exercise number 8. Take a chair and place your feet on it. Support your upper body by putting your arms on the floor like this. Then bring your left knee towards your stomach and do the same thing with the right leg. Repeat this for 10 times. Exercise number 9. Support your upper body with arms on the floor in front of you. Put both your legs on the footrest and bring your each foot forward such as your feet can touch the ground. Keep on doing it for 10 times. Exercise number 10. Bend forward and hold your knees with your hands just like this. Then start circling your knees clockwise for 10 times and then rotate them counterclockwise for 10 times as well. Exercise number 11. Put a chair in front of you and then hold it with both your hands. Then start doing push-ups just like this as you can see here. This will strengthen and tone your tummy, arms, and thigh muscles. Repeat it for 10 times. Exercise number 12. Hold the chair with both of your hands and then start bringing each of your knees towards your belly and quickly. Repeat this for 10 times. Exercise number 13. Sit on the floor like this and hold a cushion in both of your hands. Twist your upper body to each side while holding the cushion in your hands and touching it with the floor. Repeat this exercise 10 times. Exercise number 14. Sit on the chair just like this and then bring your knees up to your tummy while moving your hands below your legs. This will trim down your tummy and strengthen your thigh and shoulder muscles. Exercise number 15. While sitting on the chair, put both of your hands behind your head like this. Then raise your left knee and touch your right elbow with it. Then bring your right knee up and touch it with your left elbow. This exercise is great for abdominal muscles and will tone down your tummy. It will also strengthen your back and thigh muscles. Exercise number 16. Lie on your tummy and then put both your feet on the chair just like this. Support your upper body with your arms on the ground. Then start touching your forearm to the ground, first left, then right, then putting your hands on the ground one after another. This exercise is extreme strengthening and toning of back, shoulders, thigh, and leg muscles. I hope you liked my video. Stay safe, eat healthy, and exercise. Bye!